Okay, hey, I made this video because I want to show people how to change your clearance lights. Basically, you have an access panel in these M2 Freightliners. This is the one here for the left side over the driver's seat. You got to take out the Torx screws, and once you take the Torx screws out, it gives you room to basically put your hand up in there to unscrew your bolts, which are right here, and another bolt. So pretty much you're going to pull out this little clip. I'll probably put the camera down, need two hands to do this. Okay, this is the clip here for the light. Just a squeeze in clip. You see that there's some silicone, I guess, adhesive to keep it waterproof. You're going to probably want to make sure you put that back in the same fashion to make sure you don't have any leaks. And that will be the quick way to change or to remove your lights on the M2 Freightliner. So basically this access panel will give you access to your lights assemblies. And then if you need to do the one over the driver's side, remove the little cupboard. And you got one more over here for the passenger side. And that'll take care of your 5 roof mount marker lights on the M2 Freightliner. So pretty much you're going to drop all the trim, just get the appropriate torque screw bit, and just go at it. It's a pretty easy job to do. I just want to kind of make a short video so somebody knows exactly how to do it going forward in the future. And the one last little bit of advice or tip: make sure that you connect the light up first for unscrewing and remounting the new light, just in case the new light is broken or bad or just out the box bad. So that's how the light is connected for testing purposes. And we'll go ahead and get this thing reinstalled back into the vehicle.